Hey guys, this is Falcon, and in this video I will let you know how you can increase your computer or laptop speed with just a few steps. Okay, so follow me and follow my steps. What I'm doing, you can also increase your computer speed by doing these steps. Keep following my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Let's do it. Okay, first of all, we need to remove the temporary data that we don't need in. Okay, so press Windows plus R keys on your keyboard and type TMP. Okay, press Ctrl A to select all and Shift plus delete button. Delete all the files permanent. Okay, click on this checkbox and click on skip. Okay, now close this window and again press Windows plus R and type this command. Now again select all files and delete. Okay, click on this checkbox and skip. And now close this window and again press Windows plus R and type the command prefetch. Click on continue and select all files and delete. I'll close this. Okay, go to my PC and go to local disk. Yeah, this system disk, and click on Windows. Now find a folder that is software distribution. Go down and this is the software distribution folder. Open up this folder and select all files and delete. Click on continue. Okay, now close this window and I will have removed the temporary files that are unusable. Okay, now open up a PC and right click on this local disk. Okay, now go to properties. Here, now if you're using a Windows 10 or older window, there will be an option that is clean disk. Okay, in my case they're not showing on here, and maybe it's a Windows 11, that's why. But click on that Windows clean button and clean the system. Next step is we need to disable the apps that we don't need on Windows startup. For example, when the Windows start, there is some apps will start with the Windows. Okay, So we need to disable the apps that we don't need to start with Windows. Okay, this will decrease the load on Windows. So press Control plus Shift plus Escape button. Go to Startup Apps. Now there are the apps that will start on Windows Startup. Okay, I have already disabled the apps. Okay, you need to disable the apps that don't need to start on Windows Startup. Okay, like this. Okay, now this is enabled. Okay, I don't need this app on Windows Start. Okay, so right click on and disable this. Okay, so you disable these apps one by one. Okay, so don't disable these system apps like security or graphics. Okay, so disable those apps that you don't need on Windows Startup, like WhatsApp. I don't need this app when the Windows will start. Okay, now this Chrome, I don't need to. Chrome will start on Windows Startup. Okay, so disable the apps. Now close this window, and next step is to uninstall the unusable softwares on Control Panel. Let's just open up Control Panel and go uninstall programs. Okay, there is many softwares installed. Okay, you need to find out the software that's not usable. Okay, so like this software, I don't use this software, so I will uninstall this. Okay, this has been uninstalled. Okay, you need to uninstall all the software that are unusable or you don't use. After this, close this window. Okay, the final step is to delete all the files, videos and documents that you don't need and they are stored in your computer drive. Okay, you don't use them, so delete all the documents, files and media from your computer to increase the space. So these are the steps you need to follow, and after doing all steps, then restart your computer and your computer speed will be increased. Hope you like this video, and if you like, then subscribe my channel. Bye bye.